Okay, that day I discussed the BDD, BDD is a behavior-driven development. Okay, and you got an idea about what is the Python, right? Earlier I shared the documents. What is the
Yes,
Python?
sir, yes.
What is the background? How that language evolved, and what are the advantages? What are the pros and cons? Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have any doubts?
No, sir, as of now, nothing.
Okay. And let me complete this one. After that, probably we will also check into your project discussions also. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. BDD, did you get a chance to look into the PyCharm?
Yes, sir, like
PyCharm.
I have,
Did you explore any PyCharm?
like I already have installed the Python.
No, that is it. Did you get a chance to explore into the PyCharm?
No, sir, no, sir. Like
No.
generally, like in each tab only you are asking, na? File, edit, view, and all.
Yes. One minute. Like
Ah,
this, you went or it's opening. No, my question is that you try to open the PyCharm.
yes, sir. I have opened and also I have just looked into in each tab what was available. Like that, I searched.
What did you tried? Anything new or something?
Like how to create a new project and how to create own class.
Which language did you try?
In Python only.
That class, which file you stored, or what is the thing?
Like just tried one basic program, hello world program, like in the structure.
Okay, if you have any doubts, please clearly tell. Okay, I'm opening. This getting opened.
Okay, okay.
Well, before that, we'll go through the document. Okay.
Ah,
Okay. Let the PyCharm get it open.
okay, sir. It's loading.
Yes. Actually, see, there for in any project, so PyCharm also it will be here also we need to create a project. Okay, a dedicated project based on suppose you may work in different projects. Okay, it can be one in BDD, one in BTDD, one in core Python, one in automation. So based on the requirement, okay, you need to open separate project the PyCharm.
Okay.
Okay. Getting open. So let me complete this document. After that, we explore the PyCharm. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. First, a project in the this is a PyCharm ID integrated development environment. Okay. So so the thing after that. So normally it will be routing to separate folder in your local system. Okay, as well as, so
Yes,
we
yes.
have two things: terminal as well as one more thing will be there. Terminal will be there and the local usage will be there. Okay, in the terminal, so where you install the Python, so you need there will be one virtual location. This is the virtual location. This will automatically get configured. Okay, so this is the location where your PyCharm projects getting stored. Okay, and
Okay.
this is the interpreter. This is the Python interpreter. That also need to configure. So okay,
Okay.
then only everything will be will be working on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the environment of Python. Okay, and you need to go to File, New Project Settings, and setting the settings for new projects. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you need to before that. Let the normally earlier I created Python. You are able to see, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I have created Python 2020 development environment. Okay.
Okay.
So let me complete the document now. We need to go to file. So this is the settings. Okay. You need to go to file and go to new project settings, support settings for new projects. So need to add symbol and add the, we need to see earlier before going to the Python, we need to have the project creation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Earlier in the previous document I told, right? So
Hmm.
we need to add the Selenium also here. Just
Okay.
hmm?
Okay.
And Selenium package you need to add, and behave package you need to install. Both you need to install.
Okay, sir.
I'll show this one how to do this one. So we are adding the Selenium like this. We are going to file, going to new project, settings for the new projects, and we need to
Mm-hmm.
add. Okay, in the add symbol, see here one add symbol is there, right here. Here add symbol will be there.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, in the screen.
Here, here you able to see, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Add. So we need to add the package. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
Python interpreter Selenium. Okay,
Uh-huh.
need to add Selenium. So see, you able to see, right? This Selenium is there.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you need to add the Selenium. Okay, that after adding the package, it will get installed successfully. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, we need to add the package behave also. We need to go here and now to view process settings. And earlier that installation you need to do pip install behave, pip install Selenium and all. You need to do that one. Okay. Before the
Okay.
earlier I shared a document. Follow the document. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
So this is the second approach. For the second
Hmm.
approach, also the see that is Selenium. This is package.
Okay.
So if you need to install the package, Selenium package, behave package, and Selenium test environment, then only it will
Okay.
support the. So this is for BDD Selenium Python automation. Don't confuse
Okay.
this. So Selenium driver we are trying to install here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then only suppose we are going to using the web elements of a particular web page, that driver like Chrome driver or Safari or Firefox, individual drivers and all we need to install.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the approach. Okay, I will share this document by today or tomorrow early morning. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it we need to install separately that browsers and all, or the Selenium package itself contain also?
Yeah, yeah, not the browser. Browsers already will be, yeah, yeah. Browsers will be there. That Selenium drivers, drivers. Each and every
Yeah.
browser will have the driver. Selenium driver. You need to have the Chrome driver, like
Hmm.
Safari driver. Even browser is different. Driver is different.
Okay, okay, okay. So,
Need to We need to understand the difference. Then only it will be, since the driver is the one, it will initiate in the support of the browser, not to get the like web page.
okay.
You got the point or not?
Yeah, yeah, got it, got it.
Driver is the engine. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it triggers the browser. Browser is another entity. Browser, it can be a
Mm-hmm.
Chrome browser, Safari browser. Both are closely coupled.
Okay,
Okay, we need to install the package for Selenium package as well as the Behave package. Okay, this is steps.
okay.
Okay, you will get that Selenium after installing. You will get Selenium
Mm-hmm.
and Behave installed successfully. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So, in order to download the drivers, you need to go to the Selenium
Got
web
it.
portal,
Okay.
common
Mm.
portal. So, this is the
Okay.
link. Okay. So, we
Mm-hmm.
need to go there and download the Selenium web driver. Selenium web
Okay, sir.
driver. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, in that Selenium web driver, these are the browsers. These are drivers for Safari, Opera, Chrome. Okay.
Okay.
So in Selenium, the major three parts are there. WebDriver is there, and Grid is there,
Okay.
IDE is there. Okay,
Okay.
these are the major things are there. Currently. The Selenium
Mm-hmm.
3.4 and as well as developed versions also is there. Okay,
Okay.
so suppose we are planning for Selenium with Python with BDD. This is the approach
Okay.
document
Okay.
we need to follow for practicing how to do that one. Okay,
Okay.
so need to how to install the driver is, you need to go there and download the respective drivers, Chrome driver or something. Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
So so install the respective Chrome driver. Okay, it will be see, it will be,
Yes.
suppose you trigger that driver. Okay, it will be get installed in the temporary folder. Okay,
Okay.
but we need to reroute that driver into scripts of the Python location. That is the location. I'll share the location. So
Oh, oh,
I'll
okay, sir.
tell the location. I'll tell the location. How then only Chrome, not the Python, will read the driver, and that driver will initiate the browser not to open any web page.
Mm-hmm.
Then only we can do the automation testing.
Okay. So in settings,
So
we
the,
need to change the path.
yeah,
Just the.
I will tell. I will tell.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So you need to go here and download. Like here are the like you see Chrome driver is there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
We need to use whether it is based on the operating system, whether Linux, Mac, or Windows. Since we are using Windows normally in currently in India, maybe
Mm-hmm.
other companies may use Mac or Linux. Based on that, we need to download. Okay, temporarily
Okay.
we are using the Chrome driver Windows 32. This one need to download. It will be downloaded in a local system. After that, we need to open and install. It will be installed in the local directory. Again, we need to copy that one. Okay, I will tell 1 minute, 1 minute. That day I told, right? 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll show the directory. Okay, 1 minute. After downloading the driver, okay,
Mm-hmm.
normally it will be there in C colon users
Users.
app data. App data, it is a hidden file. Okay, you need to go there and view the hidden file.
Okay. Okay.
Go to local. 1 minute, give me a minute. So we need to go to local programs. I will send the path also. Okay, go to Python.
Okay.
Okay, this is the Python path we have installed. Okay,
Okay. The previous
I
one.
share the path. So based on your computer, it will differ. Okay, but anyway, this is the relative path.
Okay.
Go to Python. Okay, go to scripts. See, I have highlighted. I have
Hmm.
currently installed only one driver, Chrome driver alone.
Okay.
Able to see, right?
Yeah, yeah, able to see, sir.
I will send this path. I have. I will in the I will share this in the document. You need to relate yourself in your computer. Okay. Anyway, it will be more or less same.
Hmm.
Understand, right? C
Yeah,
colon
yeah.
normally users
Yes, sir.
admin app data local.
Hmm.
Whichever you download the driver, you need to place manually the driver over here. Then only the program Python program will identify. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Selenium package you need to install, Behave package you need to install, Selenium you need to add, okay, and you need to after installing. So we are adding the driver by installing respective OS
Hmm.
and so we are going for creating the project. So you need to
Hmm.
so, go to here, file, new. We already created the project, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
We need to create a so
One package.
this is for a feature file as well as the Python program here BDD we are doing this one, okay.
Okay, sir.
BDD is behavior driven development. We are trying to automate a web application, okay, using the feature file as well as the Python programming, okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is the method we need to follow. Suppose we fall into BDD feature file under the Python any programming. First we need to create a directory, okay. And so we need to create a feature one folder under the feature steps. So steps is where the Python program will be there residing, okay.
Okay.
You got it right. So this is
Yeah,
the
yeah, got it.
project file. This is the project file. Don't worry about this one. So this is
Hmm.
the feature file. Okay, they need to create separate folder on the feature. Okay, under the feature, integrate steps. Okay.
Hmm.
See, normally you able to see right. So this is the
Yeah,
Python.
yeah, okay. Yeah.
Under the project feature file is there. Okay.
Hmm.
Under the so this is the feature file. Okay. I'll tell.
Okay, sir.
I'll come back for feature file after finishing the document. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the Python. 1 minute. Okay. If you go through this document, you will get an idea. But you need to open parallelly your PyCharm in your local computer and explore and see. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So while trying to work in the Python, it will say plugin supporting some feature is not found. Okay. It will tell plugin
Hmm.
is not found. Okay. So here it is very go through the document. Here it will need to install the Python plugin. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So after installing, so that is the main input of Gherkin. That is a Gherkin plugin. Okay. So you able to see here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Gherkin plugin, you need to normally it won't if while you need to configure, you need to install and you install the Gherkin plugin. Okay.
Okay.
Then only the feature file you able to define our programming. Okay.
Oh.
after installing the Gherkin, so you'll, when you this feature file will be like green color when highlighted is right. So it says that Gherkin is been successfully configured. Okay,
Okay.
in the PyCharm.
Oh, okay, okay.
See after that, so PyCharm is the PowerShell. Okay, you need to suppose it will say like this error, like one error will be coming. The
Uh,
PyCharm PowerShell admin, you go to admin permissions and install in that one. You need to give the permissions. Okay, so we need to set execute policy remotely signed scope. If you give, you need to go to admin in the command prompt of the
oh,
PowerShell. PowerShell is the PyCharm ID. Okay.
oh,
Suppose if this error comes only, you need to do, or else you don't need to. If it is successfully configured in your system, then not a problem. So if it comes,
okay.
similarly, Gherkins also, if it populates, if it given alert, it is not been configured, that you need to install. Similarly, after
Okay.
Gherkins install, when you
Uh-huh.
tried, when you tried in the normally in the screen, okay, here, moving the cursor, able to see, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the PyCharm here. Red alert will come. Big. If you get that alert,
Mm-hmm.
so you need to follow this one. These steps. So these steps. This window PowerShell.
Okay.
Anyway, today I will explain. You take your time and try to like install in your machine. Anyway, you are going to use the office machine only, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Try to configure this one, then only say anyway, if I tell also you'll have still doubts. When you individually explore and do the requirements based on your requirements, then only you will able to understand as well as I can able to support. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Yeah, I will try to install in another different machines so that from the scratch so that I can understand.
Yeah, if you're whether you're according to policy permissions, you can install PyCharm in your office machine, or they will you need to get permissions from them.
Basically, if I'm installing inside the remote, I need the permission, but outside the local, I doesn't require any
No,
permission.
outside local means same machine or some other machine.
Same machine, sir.
Oh, they're having local, but local. But anyway, today I will share this document. Okay, you try to install PyCharm, and if you face some challenges, then tell me. Probably you come down to Perungudi, so that, probably suppose we'll sort it out and get it closed. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure.
Since we cannot able to share the machine, the problem in sharing the machine, okay, so that is from your side, okay, not my side. Okay.
Okay.
So like if you face the challenges, so red alert like that in the PyCharm here, this is the terminal. Here only we try to like using the command prompt, trigger the like that program, trigger the program. If here you get that message red alert, you need to go to PowerShell of the PyCharm using command
Okay.
prompt and try to like execute this script. Set execution policy. You need to do remotely send. You need to tell yes. Then only it will approve, and next session it will get approved. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, like we are opening the command prompt, like it's like that we need to open this Windows shell, right? Like it's in default.
Where
Could you?
here?
No, no, no. I'm just want to like to know how to open the Windows PowerShell normally.
That only I'll tell. Go to command prompt. Okay.
Okay.
Power. You are getting right. Windows PowerShell.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
It will come 1 minute. 1 minute. Here now it is coming right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Note down. Go to command prompt. Now it is prompting right.
Yeah.
One second, I will tell. Okay, so go to
Mhm.
command prompt.
Mhm.
Okay, type command. No, type power. Type power. Note down.
Okay.
Are you able to note down in your
Yeah,
note
yeah,
or
yeah. Yes,
PPT?
sir. Yeah, yeah, I'm doing so.
So Windows PowerShell, type power in the search. Okay, it will come Windows PowerShell. Okay,
Okay, sir.
without this permission, you cannot do anything. Once that red alert come, without closing this issue, you cannot do anything.
Okay, okay.
Here, what you need to tell. See, set execution policy. Here, so here the admin, right?
Okay.
Set execution policy remotely remote signed. If you set, need to type this one.
Okay, okay, got it, sir.
Then it will prompt with the yes or no or like that. Go through this document, it will be helpful.
Hmm.
So only you try to configure in your system by installing step by step based on the document, then only you will find a solution or answer.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you face challenges, note down, come up with your doubts, then only we can able to eventually sort it out.
Okay, okay.
Okay, step by step I have given.
Okay, sir.
So initially it will be tough for you. You need to put extra efforts, learn the system, use the system. Then only you able to then only identify, sort it out, and it will be easy while for automation. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So so this is the so this is a program okay. So uh, hello.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
So here go to project. Oh my problem is file. Go to file new. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
See here file is there, right?
Yeah.
Here you need to create dot feature. Note down.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Then only the feature file will come.
Okay, sir. Got it, got it.
Go to file. Format. Go to file new
Mm-hmm.
file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This and all you try to explore what are the available things are there in the PyCharm. Okay.
Okay,
What
okay.
are the available elements? So
Mm-hmm.
list down what are the things are there. Go one by one. Go to menu. Go to the menu and see. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Go near for creating a feature file. Need to get a file and need to type this dot feature and save that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the feature file.
Uh-huh.
So see normally this is the Gherkin language. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
See normally it will be feature. This is the main requirement. So here
Mm-hmm.
in the future we are going to test this requirement. Automation is for automating and testing whether the logo present in any web page. Okay, like we are trying to use the web driver of the Chrome browser, and we
Mm-hmm.
are going to open a particular web page. In that, after
Mm-hmm.
opening the web page, we are trying to see that in that one element, like web element logo is there. If it is there, we are going to test, and so we are going to make the steps pass or fail or something. Okay. So okay. So this is the
Okay, sir.
Gherkin language. So this is the here it is. So we need to follow these standards or else it will not work. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Scenario feature. Scenario is the logo presence in the home page. Okay. Condition given launch the for not to open the not to check with the home page. You need to open the browser, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So only the given launch the Chrome browser. You need to launch the
Okay.
Chrome browser. We need to do automatically. So only in that like in the programs Python file we have installed the scripts we have placed the browser. Okay. No, the driver, not the browser driver. Okay. So Chrome driver. So when in the home page, in the browser, you need to open the browser in the home page. When then verify the logo present in the page and close the browser. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I am trying to like say behave. One minute. So I'm trying to like run the program from the feature, trying to run the feature file. Okay.
Okay.
One minute, 1 minute. So I need to tell the feature folder also. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Behave feature. Feature is the folder. Okay. This is the folder
Yeah.
means that is the feature file where core file. Okay.
Okay.
In that the like a feature file
Yeah. The name of the feature file.
HRM G gmail.feature. So it will try to create the step definitions. If feature file is the compiler compiles correctly, the Python compiler, it will get the step definitions. Okay.
Okay.
I hit
Sir.
the enter.
Okay,
One
sir.
minute.
Sir. Okay.
Okay. Since the program is running, it is trying to open the like. Since if you explore and see, you will get an idea. Since it is since the Python program is there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Since the Python program is there, it is trying to automate. 1 minute, I'll tell. So only you understand.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have some
Yeah.
clarification, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, the structure of the folder is right now we have the future file under the Python 2023 dev. In that we have the
Hmm.
header folder name is future. In that we have the future file, right? So in below also there was default folder VENV. This is the PyCharm
That is the
default folder.
virtual environment. Don't worry about this one. Okay, that is the
Okay.
environment of virtual environment. That is like IDE. It's up internally PyCharm. It will have some like business programming logic to run the using the compiler. Don't worry about VNV. Okay.
No, sir. My question is like the interpreter is there while running interpreter. how they fetch the path, which file currently we need to fetch and run, how it will decide. So whether manually we
No,
need
that
to choose
only
that the
that
interpreter
only
settings.
behave. No, see, don't worry about this one. So
Okay.
only if I don't have the see here I created both the feature file and the Python. This is the Python program.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah, yeah.
I've created the entire programming. Okay,
Uh-huh.
but generally, if you go to document, okay, first you need to create the feature file. Huh? Yes,
Okay,
got
sir.
it right.
Yeah, got it, got it.
See, forget about this Python. So since both
Uh,
are coupled, so it is trying to say if this feature file, both feature file and the Python program, same thing. So only they are coupled, internally coupled. Okay. And see,
oh, okay.
these are the step definitions at given, when, then. These are the methods. So here
Okay.
we are telling launch the Chrome browser. Okay. Here
Uh-huh.
also it will see launch the Chrome browser. Both are coupled.
Okay, okay.
Right.
So
So
without
this is
giving a step
entire
definition, it
end-to-end
will not
program.
automate.
No, how it will automate?
Yeah, yeah.
See this Python program. So see BDD will not work.
Okay, okay.
BDD. So under sort only I tried that day. I told your so there is no way for BDD in your whichever requirement you showed. Maybe other project may you done may have used that one.
Okay.
Yours is TD. Anyway, since we planned for BDD, this training session is for BDD. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Behavior driven development using Selenium Python. So the behavior driven development using Selenium Python means without feature file you cannot do anything.
Mm-hmm.
So feature file, this is the Gherkin language. You need to follow the same coding standards or like standard. Then only this feature file it will interact with the Python file.
Okay, okay.
So here, if you see given, so only today what you do is don't try to create both the program. First you try to work after installing. It will take 1 or 2 days also, and even 4 to 5 days for you. I don't know about how you're gathering knowledge. If you're anything, if you face challenges, I am ready to help for you. Okay.
Sure, sir. I will do.
First, create the feature file. Don't try to create the Python. You can do for other projects. So this is for this training session. I am saying.
Okay, okay.
First, try to create the feature file. Compile the feature file. It will if you same say same command only. So behave. Note down behave like behave this feature. This is the feature file. In that this is the particular feature file. This is the entire feature folder.
Okay, okay. Sir, why we are giving that behave keyword here, sir?
See, behavior driven down. We have installed the behave, right? So that is the keyword. So that is like
Okay.
behave. Behave is for behave BDD framework. I told that day, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Got
Like,
got it right.
yeah, yeah, got it.
So don't. This is not PyTest. PyTest is separate. Don't confuse about.
Okay, okay, okay. So it's a different thing. Okay.
See, PyTest also we can install in PyCharm. So don't confuse about, don't, so that only get an idea. So don't think automation is somewhat easy. Suppose you need to work with manual testing and need to gather knowledge about the regression suite. Then how to automate, how to you choose the framework, these and all you need to decide. That day you told BDD, Selenium, you also told Selenium, but anyway, Selenium is not going to come in your particular requirement in the project. I think
Okay.
TDD
Mhm.
along with Python and PyTest will come. BDD will not come based on my findings.
Okay, okay, sir. Yeah, that's
Anyway,
it.
but anyway, I am here to help for you. Okay, here, but our requirement that day we planned for BDD Selenium Python framework. Okay, for
Yeah, yeah.
based on the, I am trying to automate a particular requirement.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So it only anyway, if you find times you told your automation project is going to start during only January 15th or something. In
Yeah.
meantime, try. I today I'll share this document. Try to first understand the document, then do step by step. First create the feature file. For feature file you need to understand what is the Gherkin language, what is the feature, what is scenario, when, then, and so this say, see this feature file normally business analysts can do and go away, but this Python only the person who have knowledge in Python can do. Understand, right?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
In the agile team, business analyst will be there, developer will be there, tester will be there. Business analyst, what he'll do is he will create simply this feature file. Since he is a business analyst, he no need to worry about the Python. How he will tell how to, he will give the requirements. He will tell what are scenarios only. Understand?
Okay, okay, sir.
This also it is not an easy job. If it is properly compiled, only it will allow the step definitions.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, in
So
each
need
step
to.
interlinked with the step definition. Yes, I understand, sir.
Yes, yes. Without if without proper compilation, this won't work. Since I have compiled earlier, it is working.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand, sir.
So normally in the real-time environment, if you check with your team, there will be,
Uh-huh.
since you told agile project, normally Scrum Master will be there. Don't worry about Scrum Master, okay? And product owner will be there, and you need to worry only with the agile team.
Okay,
In the agile team there will be a business developer, tester, and other persons, some 7 to 8 teams are there, right, under the agile team.
yeah.
Normally the business analyst will create only the feature file. His knowledge is restricted to this one.
Okay,
But as a bigger perspective, you need to, so he's, so you got the requirement, right? I will tell the requirement only. So this is we are trying to automate. See, normally there is no doubt in this, right? Then normally web pages are there. That is a business. That is a front end application. Okay.
okay, okay,
So here, what this is a simple requirement. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to see this logo is present in the this web portal. Okay,
okay,
luminousitraining.com.
okay,
We are trying to identify this logo is there or not, yes or not. If it is yes, it
okay,
will pass. This test case will pass.
okay, okay.
Real time, the requirement may vary. Similarly, assuming that we are going to test in fraction of second some 100 websites.
Yeah, yeah,
We cannot do manually, right? We cannot do manually. One requirement, it may be a logo. Some other requirement, it may be a text box like
yeah.
this
It's
one.
completely different. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So these are the web elements.
Yes.
Something we may check the like text, what is call, phone number, this and all. We can, anything we can automate.
Okay, okay.
So that only you got the requirement, right? So
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah. Yes, sir.
you need, I am again telling that you need to fully know the requirement. Then only you can able to automate.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Manually, I need to know what we need to do. Then only able to
Then
write the test
that
cases
is
and based on test case.
that is so I told right. Suppose you are trying to automate 100 websites. You are trying to see. So assuming that 100 companies are there, 100 companies. Each and every company will have different logo.
Okay,
Text will be different. So we need to write a program saying that in 100 websites, whether that web browser is opening. So when you so suppose Chrome drive will be there, Safari will be there, Edge will be there. So but you are dedicated to only Chrome. Okay. So we are downloading the web driver of the Chrome.
okay,
That you got the idea, right? That I told anyway, you go through the document, it will tell how to do that one. After downloading, you need to place the driver in a particular location, script location or Python, then only Python will read. Okay,
okay, sir. Okay, got it, sir.
got it right?
Yeah, yeah, I understand, sir.
This only we replicated in the feature file. So you have, now you go through, you tell one by one, understand. Since if it is tough for you, then tell me, then I will tell easily how to understand.
No, sir, I'm able to understand what we are doing now. So we are checking that HRM Gmail in that website, whether that HRM Gmail logo is available or not. We are checking. That is the main motto. That is the future of this file. So in that the scenario is the logo presence on HRM in that web page home page. We need to check. We are checking whether that logo is present or not. That is the scenario. So under the
Yes,
future,
yes,
the scenario is coming. So in
yes,
order to
yes,
do that, we need to launch the browser based on the requirement, either Chrome or some other browser we are launching in the given. Uh, and when once browser is launched in that home page, we are looking that HRM that logo is present or not in that home page. Once if it is
yes,
available, then we are closing that browser. That is the simple
yes,
requirement we are doing in this feature
yes,
file.
yes, yes. So similarly, one feature will have multiple scenarios. Okay.
Okay.
So this is here straightforward only one scenario. There will be multiple 10 scenarios. So 10 scenario will do
Yeah.
multiple things.
Okay.
First only so it only since feature file and Python file is this is the BDD, both are interlinked. So need to first tomorrow you first if it take 1 or 2 days also not a problem. First you create a feature file, stop there and tell me how to whether you are able to progress. If you run the
Okay.
step by step we
Okay,
will do.
sir. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes. So so this is the feature file. Okay. After that, it will see when you have only the feature file, it will after running the behavior run right. Yes.
Yeah.
It will give unimplemented step definitions. If
Okay,
you if
okay.
you if you explore and see, you will get an idea.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it, got it.
That stuff definitions can be reused in the Python file. But if you have experience, you can directly since based on the feature definitions like Gherkin language, you can easily write the Python. Okay, this is the Python. Okay, understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'm able
Not
to understand.
this is not to create a Python file. Go to file, new and okay, new and here the Python file.
Okay.
Yes, see, certainly you after installing the PyCharm, explore what are the menus are there. Under the menus, what are the elements are there, then only say if you are going anyway, Python is going to dominate for another 10 to 15 years. Anyway, PyCharm will be there for another 10 to 15 years or more than that also. So
Mm-hmm.
this is a one-time learning. If you learn this one, you can be able to do any requirements. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So, see here, see if you see the scenario, I have create unimplemented step definitions. Here, so scenario logo present on Gmail on homepage. So here,
Hmm.
see So this is a Python file. We need to first, these are the basic things.
Okay.
Since this is a behavior driven development, we need to import. This is a like syntax. From behavior, we need to import the files, all the libraries.
Okay. Okay.
From Selenium, import a WebDriver.
Okay.
Then only this Python file will read the WebDriver of the Selenium.
Mm-hmm.
Why we are going for Selenium is using Selenium WebDriver only. We are going to use like Chrome
Use the
browser,
web
Chrome
program.
driver
Yeah.
to run that application. Given, so
Yeah.
given
Yeah.
launch the web browser. Okay, these are the definition. This is the methods. Okay, def are the methods.
Uh-huh.
Here launching the browser context. Normally they don't change the things. Context is the mandatory syntax.
Mm-hmm.
Then
So
only
this,
this program will
yeah. So these things we
yeah,
will learn in the Python class, right?
yeah. No, the see this is BDD. Yeah, Python will learn, but you need to put extra efforts and you need to explore whatever we are telling. See, Python
Okay.
is a
Okay.
programming. Okay,
Uh-huh.
Python is a programming. Selenium is the automation tool. Both we are
Yeah. Yeah.
working together. So under the BDD, we are trying to do the automation.
Yeah.
Using the Python, we can develop anything.
Mm-hmm.
So we are so anyway. I will tell whatever doubts I am here to make the clarification for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
this is the syntax. So see here at the given is the right given
Hmm.
scenario is the logo. So this is a scenario. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So we are launching a browser and you need to use the since context is that this is a method. This is one
Mm-hmm.
method. This is another method. So it only if you run the feature file, it will give the unimplemented step definitions. You need to know that one, understand.
Okay, sir.
Even it takes 1 week for you, no, not a problem. I am here to help you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
Anyway, share the document. It will be easy to replicate.
Okay. Okay, sir. I'm
So
able to
like
understand this simple code, sir. Yeah, like
yes,
launching browser means we are launching the Chrome driver by using WebDriver.chrome.
context. You need to use context driver.
Okay. So context is the parameter, right?
And when uh,
Sir, I just want to try to understand. The context it means it is a parameter, right?
no. See,
Ah,
so it only these are the keywords in the
Python way.
Python integrated with the PyCharm, integrated
Okay.
with the we are trying to automate, right? With if you remove this one, nothing will work. It won't compile.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
These are the coding standards.
Uh-huh.
This is the we can launch browser. We can use anything, but
Okay.
so so this given launch Chrome browser should be same here also. Given,
Mm-hmm.
see, understand, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is a feature file. So only I'm saying you today class you just to go through whatever I'm saying. You try to create the feature file first. Okay, then don't immediately create the feature Python file. You need to like execute and see. Then only you will understand what it is through telling.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Normally, business analyst will create the feature file. Not only business anyway, based on the requirement, anyone can create. But normally, business analysts do this only. They
Mm-hmm.
don't do such coding. So, in order to automate, these are the methods. Definition is the method. One
Mm-hmm.
keyword. Okay, def we
Mm-hmm.
need to use.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
PyTest and all, we are using test. So that is related to PyTest. Here you
Okay.
need to use def. So these are standards.
Mm-hmm.
Like Java, some have some standards, public static void main. Here also some standards are there.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So given, when, then, and okay. Here also like given at given means keywords, annotations. We call as annotations. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If you remove this one, nothing will work. These are the
Mm-hmm.
standards. So this
Okay.
is the launch. This will understand from here feature file. See launch
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
given launch Chrome browser. Okay. So you are writing the you are calling the driver here.
Okay.
So another when we are getting the which URL, which website we are going to open.
Yeah, yeah,
So here context dot driver dot this driver we have captured, right? The driver.
yeah, yeah.
The driver dot get is a method. This only
Mm-hmm.
what is a find by element. These are the Python programming.
Okay.
This context dot and all related to BDD of Selenium. Okay, we are
Okay.
trying. So this is we are trying to explore the Selenium Python together.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I will come back with in detail of Selenium as well as the Python. Okay, don't worry about that one. We are trying to like automate the application of how the automation really works. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it. Got it.
So similar to get there will be thousand methods will be there. You need to know what are things.
Okay.
Anyway, if you are going to work in ID PyCharm, it will be based on a requirement only. You are going to use the methods. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we are trying to open the Luminous IT training web portal. Then verify the logo present on the page. So here only, like, yeah, I will go to that one. Okay, 1 minute. How you pick up this element? This is the element. Okay.
Yeah,
How do
yeah.
you pick up this element?
By using the DOM structure, we are locating the X path. Uh,
Okay, this is the web element. Okay, go right
yeah.
click and go to inspect.
Inspect.
Okay, go to inspect.
Yeah.
Okay, it will
When we
open.
inspect them. Yeah.
It
When
will
we
open the
highlight, it will
elements.
show that path. Yeah.
So there is two path. Relative path is there. X path is there.
And X path is the, yeah.
Oh, try to get the X path. Okay.
Yeah. Absolute not
Since
relative.
in this web page it is not relating the X path. Okay. One minute. Here it will be the X path will be there.
Okay.
Right click and get the first you need to try to
Yeah, like we can pick a class equal to attachment something
hmm,
directly by using the.
take the X path. X path is nothing but the XML path.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Go to the Python program and give the
Mm-hmm.
X path here. So we are
Okay.
telling status dot what is status is the concept. Like this is the it will return the asset. These are assets.
Uh-huh.
Assets means it will return status true or false. Asset in Python, the one terminology is assets like
Mm-hmm.
methods. Okay, you will
Mm.
come in the later. What are the assets or something? Not to understand assets, it will return true or false.
Okay, okay. So like a Boolean
Asset
type.
Boolean is 1 0 or something like here true or false. Okay, so these
Mm.
are things you need to learn while in the before automation. So then only you able to like code the program.
Okay, okay, okay.
Anyway, I will tell, but additionally, you need to learn based on your requirement.
Okay, sir.
So here, verify the so don't this and all context should be there. This verify logo and all we can rename anything. This definition should be there. Status context dot driver dot find element by XPath. So this is a
Mm-hmm.
method. You ask that Python program will tell this is one more method. Find element by XPath.
Okay,
This is the element ID we captured from the that
okay.
web page.
In the DOM structure,
He is
yeah, we
displayed.
have located those
See
things.
here he is displayed.
Ah, yeah, because we
This
are
is
checking whether
the asset.
logo is good. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Got it.
It is true or false.
Mm-hmm.
If it is false, the test case will fail.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
it is true, the test case will pass.
Mm-hmm.
If they open the page, this case, this class, this condition will fail or pass. So it only
Okay.
I'll show how many failed or passed or something. Anyway,
Okay, sir. So,
in this web page, the XML path of the XPath is not captured correctly, so only it is getting failed. I'll show that also. Okay.
okay, sir. So this is the validation part. Okay.
Anyway, so this is so normally Python program will be like this only in based on
Okay.
BDD,
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
based on feature file.
Okay.
BDD only will use the feature file. Behave is the thing.
Okay. 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 Yes, sir. I'm
PyTest is
able to understand.
okay. Understand, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Understand, sir.
So I'm trying to again run the so I'm trying to run this one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, one thing I just want to check with you, sir.
Hmm.
So as per the structure, currently we have the future file, step definition file. Also, we
Yes.
have one more file that is for runner class, right? So if we have more than one multiple scenarios, by using the tag name and all, we will give which particular scenario we need to run. The tag name we will give in the runner file, right? But in
So
BDD,
that
it was
uh,
doesn't require. Is that
that
true?
only DevOps is a separate technical team will work. Okay, in DevOps normally. Let me complete this one and come back to your answer question. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
See,
Ah,
I'm executing this command. Okay.
okay.
Behave feature. This is the feature core area, and this is the file. Okay.
Okay.
Normally, can you tell where the feature file code will be stored? Anyway, you're storing in PyCharm, but in the real time, in a professional way, how they store?
Uh, Generally, it will store in the local path. Is that right? So
No,
from where the Python is.
okay. That is okay. That is okay. No, I'm asking in the configuration management. You told Git and all, right?
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Got it, right? You asked some questions. Git, Maven. Maven is a build automation.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Then you'll be using Jenkins. There are numerous. Jenkins is the where it is going to integrate with Maven as well as Git. So it will that is the continuous integration and continuous deployment.
Okay.
So we are trying to run this feature by manually, but automatically if you place this like this command, I'm highlighting. If you able to see behave feature, yes.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
If you automate this one, if you have 1,000 programs, it will going to do automatically, right? Got it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So only it will pick up from Git. Yes.
So it will store in the Git repository. Is that right?
From the Git, normally, you know what is the page object model?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Anyway, later we'll come back. So we have some more time, right? Another 1 or 2 months, right? 2 months is there.
Okay.
Step by step we'll go. Then only we able to understand. Don't confuse also. This is the approach. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Anyway, I'll cover all the things. But additionally, you need to put extra efforts.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Will do, sir.
So for BDD, we need to use behave feature file, and this is the syntax. Syntax means standards.
Okay,
If
okay.
I run this one, wait for some time. What is happening? You see, it is opening the browser, launching the browser. Okay,
Mhm.
you able to see the browser is opening, right?
Yeah, yeah.
See, Chrome is controlled by automated test software. that is the Selenium. It
Okay.
is opening the luminousIT.com.
Okay.
It is trying to
Validating
pick
this
up
one.
the 1 minute,
Yeah.
closed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it is running and it is executed. So since why it is telling zero features for one failed is since the
Mm-hmm.
XPath in that whichever developed that web page, I could not able to take the XPath correctly. Some there is an issue. So I will anyway I will come back. Meanwhile, you do this one. You can choose any web page and try to do this. So anyway, you can take any web page, but you
Okay,
try
sir.
to capture the XPath. Okay, that is your
Okay, okay.
assignment.
Okay, sir.
So here two steps passed is there. You understand?
Yeah.
One is open. It opened the browser. One step passed.
Mm-hmm.
And another one is it open the browser,
Home
open
page.
the Chrome browser. The Chrome browser is successfully opened using the WebDriver. And another one is it opened the Luminous IT. Okay, that also you saw that one. That Luminous
Yeah, yeah,
that is
yeah.
the web page. It
The
opened.
home page has
Okay.
been opened. Yes, yes.
Since the XPath is not properly corrected, it won't able to capture the logo
Yes, yes.
that failed.
Yes,
So
sir.
feature is failed and scenarios which since only one scenario that also failed.
Mm-hmm.
This is partially automation is being done. This is the idea of going for a bigger automation. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood. Understood.
So this is the way real time anywhere across the globe the happening of automation testing.
Okay, okay, okay.
Down the line, I will tell. So this and all how to automate. We are running this one right manually. We are running. So in the
Mm-hmm.
PyTest and all unit testing, you will do like end-to-end testing. You will be do. You will do. Okay, that and all that is separate. How to do? I will tell that one. That you need to
Okay, sir.
tell. That is separate knowledge sharing. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
you got it
Yes,
right.
sir. I will. Yes, sir. I will do this assignment tomorrow itself. Yeah, I am able to understand.
Anyway, you take so if it takes 3 days, 4 days, also not a problem. You try to. I'll share the document. You go through, understand step by step. You do. Take any other application, any other web application. Try to find the logo and find the XPath. Open the browser. Open the website. And using the XPath to locate the ID using the find ID element ID and open it and try to like execute the program and close the browser. If you have successfully done, it will tell one feature passed, one scenario passed, and two steps passed, and totally it has been passed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Normally, this and all will be once you've done the assignments, then how to
Mm-hmm.
give this and all the reporting in the like HTML, like charts, how
Mm-hmm.
many test case run. So that
Okay.
and all I'll tell in Allure reports one is there how to do that one. But that is for
Okay, sir.
BDD. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So
Got it, sir.
this is the. Do you have any other doubts?
No, sir. I'm clear.
Or clear, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is the Python file. Python file into save. If you create directly, use Python it will store as .py. Py is Python.
Okay, okay.
Here, future file and Python are closely coupled. Then only it will work. Okay.
Okay, sir. We always need to create a Python file only, not a
Yes,
normal
yes.
file. So we always need to create a Python file for a future file for future and step definition, not a normal file.
Yeah, normal file it will not work.
Okay, okay.
So our BDD is nothing but in the BDD we are using Selenium, Python programming language
Mm-hmm.
to automate the web application to find any requirement. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay,
So before that, these you need to import these libraries. You need to use the standards.
okay,
So this is the way automation everywhere across the globe, across the company. This is the way one type of BD automation will be there. If it is PyTest, that is different. Okay.
Mhm.
Anyway, today we covered the Selenium, Python, BDD in somewhat some maximum extent. You got it right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So the
There
one
will
thing is, like these are all different model under PyCharm, right? Behave is different model. PyTest is different
ah
model.
yes, you got the point. Yes, PyTest is that is a separate plugin.
Okay, okay, plugins. Okay, that is the term we need
See,
to say. Okay,
see, PyCharm, there even data scientists will use, even artificial intelligence people will use. Okay, who are using Python program will use the PyCharm. So under there are different verticals.
based on the business needs, they will use.
Based on the business requirement, we are going to select the respective thing and do that one. So normally in the PyCharm, the terminal and local will be there. Suppose normally you need to do the installation in the root directory, then only it will be working, or else terminal also it will only for particular session. Yes.
So
You
what
try
is the difference
to
between terminals? Huh?
terminal is the particular from the system we are trying to execute. Like particular, this is the terminal, right? Got it right. The G location I
Okay,
install the Python.
okay, okay. That path is called terminal.
So assume that this code is deployed in server. I told that the entire architecture, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Anyway, so that is a big subject. So you can place the code in one server. It will be in Selenium maybe. So think there are thousand applications is getting automated. So frequency bandwidth will be more, right?
Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah, yeah. Got it, sir. Got it, sir. We can run any file from anywhere if it is interfering with the
So that is the
internet.
using the DevOps you are going to do.
Okay.
Anyway, you
So
told. So anyway, I'm trying to like knowledge share in your based on the findings. There is a TDD, not the BDD.
okay, okay, sir. Yeah, yeah. Still, I'm not sure about it, sir. No issues. Like once they give any update, no, surely I will update to you, sir.
If they are following BDD, then that's fine. But if you follow BDD, this is the only approach. No other approach across the world.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand, sir. Sir, as of now, my understanding, like they are telling they are using BDD only, but I'm not sure. So I will get back to you in the month of January, sir. Those details.
Okay, okay. January first week or second week, you tell.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
But prepare yourself. Try to explore, install PyCharm, all the steps. Then only it will work. Or else it will take. It will be tough to work.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I will do myself.
Whichever challenges you face, tell me. I will help you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. Today is Wednesday, and you take tomorrow time. Anyway, I think it will take 1 or 2 days also for you.
Sir, I'm able to understand, sir. Surely I will complete this task tomorrow itself.
Anyway, but
I will install from the scratch.
yeah. Then only install from the scratch. Do step by step. See, if you understand this one, then you can able to live with automation for some more 10 years or 20 years also.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I will do so.
After today, after half an hour, I'll send this document. Okay, then it will be helpful for you. I'll go. I'll 1 minute only.
Sir, tomorrow, what is the plan, sir? Do we have the class or Friday, sir?
No, no. This week we can discuss on Friday. Tomorrow, anyway, you need to work only. See, this is the high level of Selenium, Python, BDD. Our this is the automation. You need to explore, right? You need. This is the assignment. You need to work on the assignment, right?
Yeah, yeah. I will do, sir. Surely I will complete and let you know, sir.
You let us meet on Friday, not tomorrow.
Friday. Okay, sir. Okay.
But ensure you are trying to attend the sessions properly. If the whichever time you commit, try to attend
Ah,
since
so, yeah, I
don't.
understand, sir. Sorry, that's unplanned activities. That's why I'm unable to avoid. Surely, I won't miss a day after, sir. Maximum, I will try to
If
attend
you
all the section.
if you plan a schedule, if you're not planning for the day, tell before, and with your committed time, join in the time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I will do. I will do so.
Anyway, we'll plan for Friday 8:30. So
Okay.
that before that, try to explore and install in your wherever local machine or somewhere, anywhere in laptop or something.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I will do so.
Any other doubts you have? We can close the session.
No, sir. No, sir. I'm good, sir.